Ken's Collision has been serving the community since 1962. We understand accidents happen. That's why our highly trained staff is here to help you get back on the road. We'll walk you through all the steps so you never feel alone. We provide ease-of-use software to go over quotes at the tip of a finger. We can answer any questions you may have concerning the repair. And as soon as you are ready to give us the keys, we get to work. No time is wasted. Every part accounted for, every detail fixed. Just a few big names we're certified by: Nissan, Kia, Infiniti, Alfa Romeo, Opar. But it doesn't end there. With our state-of-the-art technology and access to over tens of thousands of paint choices, finding your exact paint color will be easy. So, no matter the size, the job, or color, we can have your car looking better than new with a fresh coat. When it comes to technology and vehicles, we have you covered too. Our highly trained techs calibrate your advanced drive assistance systems, making sure all sensors and cameras are working efficiently to reduce the chances of an accident to keep you safe on the road. With nearly 60 years of service to the community, Ken's Collision Center provides top quality results while bringing a smile to our customers. Visit us at 988 Vine Street, Los Angeles, California, or give us a call at 323-464-8392.